Okay class, today we will be doing science stuff.
Mr. Nix, can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, take the pass.
Hey Dom, let's blast our song. Oh no, it's the principal.
You two have detention after school for playing Flipside in the hallway.
Ugh. This bathroom stinks. I'm going to use girls' bathroom instead. Wow, this bathroom is nice and clean. Oh no.
Hey! What do you think you're doing? That's it. I'm telling the principal.
No 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 no.
There he is. He was in the girls' bathroom.
Oh my god, Sword. How dare you go to girls' bathroom? That's it. I'm calling your dad. Go home right fucking now, you are expelled for 7 days.